Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the GenAI input option in the Expert Buffer Designer. And again, as usual, you start by clicking the Start Designing button, and then you can choose the GenAI input tab in among these four different tabs. And the interface has been significantly improved. All you need to do is pick the buffer species that you're interested in, whether it is a single component, single species, or multi-species. For example, today I'm going to just choose the bistress citrate option, and again you will see that it automatically pops in the text that you want to put in for the buffer and the format of it. And then also it suggests the pH that you might want to use based on the pKa of the bistress. Now what you can do is you can go in and simply adjust the concentration by editing this box here and editing the box here, for example, and then changing the pH here. And all you need to do is that, and then say click get buffer design, and then in a second or so it goes in, talks to the ChatGPT server and brings the result back to you. And here you have the buffer solution added to your solutions list that is shown in this scroll list. Then if you come down here, it gives you the summary of the buffer in terms of all the compounds in the buffer and their corresponding concentrations. And again, successfully it reached a pH of 6.8. And then you see the individual compounds that are used in this buffer, and you can see the corresponding compound concentration in molarity and molarity. And then you can see the citrate ion concentration, bistress concentration, and the sodium and the chloride ion concentrations. Then the next piece gives you the breakdown of the individual ions and the pKa's of these ions and the individual charged species concentrations that are present in the solution, as well as the total concentration. You can see that for all the different ions that we have in the solution. Then the other cool feature we added in this version was to understand the impact or the variability of the two main components of the solution, the citric acid and the bistress base. And you can see that when you change the concentration of the citric acid plus minus 10% and the bistress base plus minus 10%, how much the pH varies. And the bar here tells you what the cutoff points are, plus minus 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. You can see that for the most part this buffer is green, which means that if you have a nominal variation in your composition, you're still going to have pH within plus minus 0.1. All right, thanks for listening, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp or reply and comment in the video below. Thank you.